Hi guys, so today I will be showing you how I DIY this passport size craft pocket folder and this plastic pocket folder for your traveler's notebook. They're very easy and I'm sure you could do this on your own. So if you want to see how I did these folders, then just keep watching. So let me guys show you first how I did this plastic pocket folder. I will flash on the screen whatever you need to accomplish this project. But in this video, I have two pieces of A7 card cases and an ID holder. Whichever you prefer to use is okay. In this particular pocket folder that I did a while ago, it's a combination of the A7 card case and the ID holder. But I actually prefer using the A7 card case now because it's easier to put things inside because this one is quite stiff and it has holes. Excuse me for speeding up the video. I just need to do this so it wouldn't be too long, but I'm sure you can still follow through the steps because it's very easy. I'm just grabbing my notebook for the basis of the size of the plastic folders. Then there's my tape. Make sure the tape is longer than your notebook and put it on the board, sticky side up, just like that. And then grab your card cases. Make sure the two close ends meet, not the other way around. And put it in the tape. Stick it in the tape. Make sure you leave a gap in the middle. And then grab another tape and put it in the middle as well. And then just cut the excess tapes, and there you have it. There goes your plastic pocket folder. So now let's move on to how I made this craft pocket folder. As you can see, I'm using a craft brown file folder. And I'm using this notebook again as my basis for the size. I don't like measuring, so you can see me do this all the time. So I want to line that middle so it could easily be folded. As a tip, I'm using a not so sharp scissors and a ruler and line them up as if you're using a pen. This way the folder will be easily folded. Okay, so right now I'm marking where the notebook is. Just grab your ruler and measure them. Well, not measure, but line them where it ends. But if you like measuring, you can always measure for the exact sizes. So now I'm just lining them up. Of course, we are doing a pocket folder, so we will be adding a few centimeters to that original size. I think I did a 5 centimeters additional, I think. And now we cut. Be careful with the scissors, especially if it's sharp. So now I'm going to just do that line again with the scissors so it could be folded easily. And I also want to add like an inside paper choosing which one I will use. I think I'm going for the simpler one. And I'll just use this kraft folder as a basis. And cut it. And now I want to cut out the edges because I want to still see that brown folder. So I'm cutting out a few centimeters off of this paper. Now once it's the right size, I will just fold it in the center to mimic the folds in the kraft folder so it won't be crumpled like this one. Now I'm just using a ruler to guide the folds. And now we're ready to glue it on the kraft folder. I put way too much glue in this, don't even do this. And excuse my head for always blocking the view. So I'm sticking this side. Again, I put way too much glue in this one. I don't know why I'm doing this. Now I'm using a card to press it in so there wouldn't be any bubbles or crumpled edges. Do it again on the other side. Of course, we're doing a pocket folder, so we're going to cut this into a diagonal line. I think I'm measuring this for at least 5 centimeters. I measured it for both sides because I want them to be identical. And in sticking it in, I am using an adhesive tape. You could use a glue if you don't have this, but I think to be more precise and to properly stick it in, an adhesive tape is recommended. And there you have it. There goes your kraft folder. So the reason why I'm doing this extra kraft folder and plastic folder is because I'm having a new journal. As you can see, this is the new one that I just recently bought. This is the one that I'm currently using. I just noticed that it's getting quite thick because of the journaling that I'm doing in this particular journal. So I just realized that I need to have another one just so that it won't be as thick because I don't want it to be too chunky. This is the reason why it's chunky, because I've been putting a lot of pictures in this journal. So I just figured this journal would go in the new journal that I bought here. So with that, I have to set it up like I set this up. I would be installing this plastic pocket, so if you want to see how I did that, then let's continue. Again, I'm speeding up the video, but I will flash on the screen whatever you need for this one. I'm using an ID holder again. For this pocket, I just drew the desired shape that I want. And in here, in this back pocket, I use a driver's license protector. So I'm just cutting out this ID holder. I will be using an adhesive to stick this in. I'm putting it in the outer edges. So I'm sorry if you can't really see what I'm doing. I didn't notice I'm off cam. So just peel off the tape and stick right in. And there goes your first pocket. It's pretty much the same process. I'm still using an adhesive tape to stick this in and only putting it on the outer edges. You could still use an ID holder if you want an identical pocket, but I actually prefer using this small plastic. So stick it right in, and there goes your back pocket. And there goes your pockets. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you want to see more of this, then just comment down below and I'll see what I can do. The next video will probably be a flip through of my current setup for this new journal, so just stay tuned for that. So that's it. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.